Le meilleur de Gong sur Internet, iPhone et iPad en replay sur Gong Vision.
Get the hell out of here.
Bienvenue dans Inside, l'émission en mode California Girl, ou plutôt tronçonneuse girl. On quitte notre doux pays pour la chaude Californie avec ses lycées stéréotypés, ses pom-pom girls pleines d'énergie et tueuses de zombies. Découvrez Juliette Starling, 18 ans, pom-pom girl du lycée de San Romero dans Lollipop Chainsaw. Son coup préféré, massacrer du zombie. Faut dire la Juliette, elle a de qui tenir. Tueuse de zombies, c'est carrément une histoire de famille. Et oui, nous aussi, ça nous rappelle une certaine tueuse de vampires. Mais attention, d'après Scott Ward, producteur du jeu, Lollipop Chainsaw est unique et totalement barré. Vérifions ça tout de suite. Monsieur Scott Ward, d'où est venue l'idée d'associer une pétillante pom-pom girl à une redoutable tronçonneuse?
Yeah, so these are two things that definitely come from Suda 51. He brings, the great games like Killer 7 and No More Heroes, and now the Lollipop Chainsaw. And when he came to Warner Brothers, he already had the cheerleading idea. He knew that he wanted a female role for this title. A lot of his other titles has been male. He had never seen a movie or a game that has started from the very beginning to the very end with chainsaw action. And so that was very important. Your chainsaw does evolve though. It does grow with you as you progress through the game. It's a multi-purpose chainsaw. So the main focus was for the chainsaw action.
When I start feeling like that, I just knock back a strawberry lollipop.
Best memory, hands down, absolutely the VO, and going through the scripts and bringing in the casts and watching James, give direction and doing a lot of the VO directing, and then bringing in all the talent that wanted to support the game as well, and follows James and follows Suda, and wanting to be a part of this. Tara Strong with Juliette, she was instantly just in love with the whole character and the whole script, and Michael Rosenbaum with Nick. They do such a great job, and you can see the passion in the heart, and during the VO sessions you felt that, and it was a great experience.
That was okay. That was good. That was really good.
If it's not the dialogue, and just hearing these little drops of things that James loves to throw at you, the craziest thing is absolutely the boss fights, because you just never know when they're going to die. And at some point, you're just like, I don't think this boss is going to end. And that is absolutely over the top, and something that you expect from Suda and his boss fights. He puts a lot of love, a lot of passion into his boss fights.
Et maintenant, test inside speed dating. Qui serait le parfait boyfriend pour notre chère Juliette? Serait-ce Angel de Buffy contre les vampires? Vampire beau gosse, mystérieux, adore le cuir, très fort, mais tendance dépressive. Ou peut-être Machete, tueur mexicain, impitoyable, peu bavard, adore les armes, les femmes et les explosions. Ou alors Shaun, de Shaun of the Dead, employé fainéant, adore la bière et les jeux vidéo, et tueur de zombies à ses heures perdues. Alors, lequel est l'âme sœur de Juliette?
Honestly, in my opinion, it would be a combination of all three, because they all have great qualities about us. Shaun of the Dead is just, a funny, and that kind of plays into the spirits of Lollipop Chainsaw, where there's a lot of comedic things that happen throughout that movie that you're just like, what the heck? Machete, very serious, right to the point, putting the end, on everything, and so very strong, just like Juliette when she plays zombies. And then there's Angel, the hunky guy. They're all reflective of a Nick quality, and so I honestly think you can take all three and combine them if you had to make that, because I know she would want a Nick.
Chez Gong, le choix était vite fait. Pour nous, l'âme sœur de Juliette, c'est Shaun of the Dead. Mais bon, laissons Juliette à son nid, ou du moins à ce qu'il en reste, et allons entre deux saltos et grand écart démonter du zombie. Alors, bonne séance de gymnastique, et à une prochaine dans Inside.
Anything and everything you want?